Hello Sobat Soki! Welcome back to English class! Today we have a fun topic to talk about where we are going to name adult and baby farm animals. Are you ready to help me name the farm animals and their babies? Let's go! So let's look at our first farm animals, which is the cow. But do you know what a baby cow is called? So a baby cow is called a calf. Next, we have this beautiful hoofed mammal called horse. And the baby horse is called a foal. Next, we have a chicken. But what do you think a baby chicken is called? So a baby chicken is called a chick. Here we have a duck. Now, what do you think a baby duck is called? So a baby duck is called a duckling. And our last farm animal is this sheep. Can you guess what a baby sheep is called? A baby sheep is known to be a lamb. And there it is, our farm animals and their babies. So, which one was your favorite? Thank you so much for learning with me. I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.